Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make optimize image for SEO. Image optimization are very important for SEO. So friends, over here the image, this image name best battery life smartphones. So now I click this image and click right mouse, then go to properties, and here new pop-up window. Now click details option and look at this. Here description option, title, subject, rating, tag, comments. So now friends, I work description option, title, subject, rating, tags and comment. So now here I put image title, and title and subject are similar. So here I put this name, titles and subjects. Okay, now put rating here. Here select 5-star ratings, and also here I put my tags or keyword. So I need to find keyword this title related. Okay, so need to go web browser like Google Chrome. Here type keyword tool.io and enter. So this is a tool to research keyword or tags. Now here I free research my tag. Which tag? I put my image tag options, right? So now I paste here title or keyword name, and look at this. This is global worldwide, right? So I need to select United States. United States. Okay, so I click it and here select English. By default select English. Okay, and now need to search, so I click here search button. Okay, so click now. Need to some few moment, then it will be show. Look at this. Here total 137 keyword are shows, but if you use Keyword Tools Pro, then you can find more and more tag or keywords here. So at this moment here I use free option. Okay, now here I select this keyword or tag. Now copy this and paste, and paste here. Okay, after semicolon I will copy new tags. Okay, again paste and semicolon, this keyword, and after semicolon, and this. So friends, you can put more tags here, but video tutorial purpose I will show you how to put tag from keyword tools. Okay, now I copy this and paste comment here. Okay, now paste here. Okay, fine. So here I select rating again 5-star, and here click apply and okay. So now need to check these are properly set yet or not. So I click again and go to properties and details. Look friends, now here set properly. If you want, then you can put here your name and date. Okay, so now I blank it. Hello friends, so when you search for best battery life smartphone in your browser, this image come to search result page, and also on these image pages. So here are image pages. Now click here. It's set as well. So through this way we can make the image optimize, and we can generate traffic, also generate a higher sales. So I hope you understand how to do on image optimize for SEO.